Hey friends and purse partners, Brandie Thomas here. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to use AI within your scalability platform so that you can send your emails and generate those subject lines that maybe you're just like struggling with on those weeks that you're not feeling creative. All right, so let's dive in. So I have my scalability platform already pulled up and I'm in the marketing section. So this is where you're going to go to create all of your email campaigns and marketing materials. So when you open up a new email, I like to just clone mine, to be honest. So once you have a template that you prefer to use, then you can just clone it. But you can also come up here and hit the new button, and that will, you can do a template, you can just work from blank. So I'm just gonna come here to keep it easy for myself, and I'm gonna work on building out my email for next week. So I typically send weekly emails to my email list, and so I'm gonna just go ahead and hit clone and then just click into it. So once this opens, it's gonna show you my templates. And then I can just cancel that out. And you can come over here and you'll see there's this AI button. So when you click on that AI, you can do improve writing, generate with AI, fix spelling and grammar. So let me actually put that oops, okay. There we go. Put this content back in there, and I'm gonna say highlight this, and I'm gonna say improve the writing. So it's going to take an email that I already sent, and let's see if it has any improvements for me. So it's telling me, attention, visionary Christian entrepreneurs. Are you ready to catapult your business to celestial heights, seeking just three inspired go-getters poised to amplify their divine mission and revolutionize their business with a streamlined, omnipotent platform, all with 16 divine weeks? You're already a beacon of experience with a solid brand audience and a mission. Now it's time to unveil your signature program, craving the heavenly details, whisper deeds in reply. Okay, so to me, I will not accept that because that is not my voice at all. But I do love that it can go through and give me some new words. So maybe I'll switch out some of the adjectives, or I can switch out some of the sentence. I'm probably not going to use the words whisper deets in reply, but hey, I love the creativity there. So I wanted to show you that that feature is available. You can also regenerate, and it'll send you some new ones. But this, obviously, this specific AI does not know my voice yet. See, this already sounds, elevate your divine enterprise. I like the word elevate. That sounds good. So it's not going to really know how to write for me yet. So let's try it if we do generate with AI. So this is where we can train our AI a little bit better. So we can tell it, do we want it to be promotional, introduction, coupon discount, recurring newsletter, testimonial, cold outreach, other. I want to pick recurring newsletter. I'm going to put my title messy middle because I've been doing a series on how I'm leading and continuing to push through, even though I'm walking through a messy middle season right now. So let's say lessons learned, leading in and thriving in the messy middle of your life and business journey. Add some keywords. Let's say life, business, journey, entrepreneur, learning. Let's see. Okay. Just add them separately. Don't do what I just do and put them all in one spot. Okay. Writing tone. Let me exit that out and do life, business. So I primarily support the ambitious kingdom entrepreneur. And so I want to speak to that in my content. So select writing tone, casual, excited, professional, witty, sarcastic. I like these options. But let's try feminine right now. And I went 3 different variations. So and then I can change length to small, medium, large. So let's just start with small for this training example. Okay, so once it generates, we're gonna have 3 different options to choose from. So now you can see, hey, beautiful souls, embracing the ebb and flow of our unique paths. Like that start a little bit better than embrace the winds of change in your life and business with the messy middle. Not too bad. So you get 3 options, you can copy them. What I recommend, right, especially if you're in business, you should have some marketing experience. You have understand your niche. That is my son. Okay, so you can pull over which one you feel maybe sounds the most like you, and then go in and edit it. As an entrepreneur, right, business owner, you should understand who your niche is. You should understand their demographic, what they like, what they don't like. Like you understand how to talk to your audience, and you understand at least basic marketing skills. Otherwise, you wouldn't be in business right now watching this video. And so take those skills, use this as a helpful tool to get you started if you're not feeling the creative juices flowing, if you're getting some writer's block, and then tweak it to make it actually sound like you, make it relevant to your audience. But this is a great tool to use when you're having those low energy days, low creativity days, and then it'll pop it in there right for you. You can edit it here and then save. So those are the basics of how to use AI to create your email campaigns, newsletters, whatever promotional offers. This is a great tool to help you, especially on those low energy, low creativity days, to just get those juices flowing. So again, if you have any questions, drop those in the comments and I'll be happy to help you with those. And if you would like to try Scalability, you have access to my 14-day free trial by clicking the link in the comments. So I hope you have a great day and I will see you next time.